Hey guys, I've finally done it. I have finally created my YouTube channel after many, many years of debating. My name is Ron and I am the founder of the Candle Making Coach. And I have taught countless people over those 17 years how to make candles and have even helped some of them go on to create their own candle businesses. I love teaching and helping others. And I love watching candle making YouTube videos, and I saw a lack of fragrance oil reviews in finished candles. There's lots of reviews on oils, but almost never in finished candles. So I thought I would bridge the gap and start reviewing different companies in finished candles. So I'm going to sample a few oils today, give you a review on those. And that company, the first company is, I'm starting with this company because it's wildly popular. They're fairly new, but they've gained a cult following really because they have really good oils. So, and that company is Midwest Fragrance. So I have a ton of their oils. I haven't bought any recently, but I still, I have some of their better known fragrances nonetheless. So we're gonna start first with Brown Sugar and Fig. And please forgive me, this is my first video and I don't really know what I'm doing, so it'll get better as I keep posting it. I'll probably post once or twice a week, maybe. I just have to figure out what I'm doing first. So Brown Sugar and Fig. The top notes is fig and orchid. Middle notes are brown sugar, and base notes are sandalwood, maple, and vanilla. So as most candle makers know, the top notes are, when you start burning the candle, is what you're gonna smell first. It tends to burn off fairly quickly, and then you're left with the middle notes, and then that's what you smell. And then once the candle gets going, you're left with smelling the base notes. So Brown Sugar and Fig. And I will be testing most of the fragrances in Freedom Soy Wax. I love that wax. It's my favorite, but with these oils, I used Soy 10, which I also like. I just prefer to stay away from paraffin. It's just my personal preference. Soy 10 is a great wax if you use that. So Brown Sugar and Fig, I use it at 9%. And I would give this about a 7 to a 7.5 rating out of 10. It's a very good oil. It just, when I smell it, the first word that comes to mind is warm and cozy. It's a sweeter smell. And yeah, I just get cozy. It's a great fragrance, as are all of their oils. So the next is chestnut and birch. So the top notes are roasted chestnuts. Middle notes are sea salt and fireside, and the base notes are birch, leather, and gentle rain. This is a lighter fragrance. Smells amazing. I say that with all the oils. Smells warm but clean. So I would say this is more, it's a softer fragrance for me. So I would maybe give it a 6.5 to a 7. But like I've said in my TikTok videos, because that's where I started. If you want to find me on TikTok, you can find me at Candle Making Coach. That's my name on TikTok. Softer doesn't necessarily mean bad. If you've noticed, a lot of the luxury companies have softer fragrance. They just lean more towards luxury smelling and just unique and high quality smelling fragrances. And this is what I get from Midwest Fragrance. They're just lovely. So next up is Cranberry Woods. I love all things cranberry. I am a total sucker. So this is a really good oil. The top notes are cranberry, citrus, and apple. Middle notes are cinnamon and oak wood. Base notes are vanilla and spice. This is a timeless fragrance. And that cranberry and citrus is really coming through. I'm not smelling the cinnamon, but that comes through when you burn it. So cranberry woods, I would give a solid 7.5 to 8. Cranberry does tend to be a little bit stronger of a fragrance, but I highly recommend these oils. If you haven't checked out Midwest Fragrance, definitely check them out. Their website is really easy to navigate. They have awesome scent descriptions. They're reasonably priced, and I forgot to tell you guys the prices on them. If that's something you want me to include, let me know. Cranberry Woods, I'll go ahead and give this one. It is $21.99, and that's for a 16-ounce bottle. They do have free shipping over $149 for the lower 48. So I'll wrap that up for my first video. First one ever in the books. I'm super excited, and like I said, I will try to post definitely once a week, but I'll try to post twice a week. I have several companies, some of which you probably haven't even heard of, but I've been in the game a long time and I know a lot. If you have any recommendations, if you have oils you want to test out, but it gets really expensive, comment, and I will check the companies out if they are on the cleaner side and if they're reasonably priced and they're just seem like good companies. I'll definitely buy some samples, like the sample bottles, make some candles, let them cure, and then tell you what I think. So subscribe, and I will learn how to do all this YouTube stuff eventually. Thanks, guys.